this tutorial we learn about the formula of sum, average, count, and minimum and maximum in MS Excel. These are the basic formulas, so let's start from them. Opening the MS Excel, going to blank workbook, I want to write some numbers. These are the random numbers. I have 6 numbers. Now, how to insert a formula in Excel? First, we want to talk about sum formula. So, starting a formula always from equal sign, then name of the formula, like we do not go sum, so write sum, bracket on, so select the number. There are a lot of ways to select a number. With the help of mouse, click on their shift button with arrow keys. Also you type the name of and number of the cells as well, like starting from B2, semicolon, then last box is B7, bracket off, enter the button, so we sum that numbers. Sum formula is used to add the numbers of selected cells. Well, going to next formula, average. Starting from the equal sign, write the name of the formula, average, bracket open, selecting the range, bracket off, enter. What does average do and why it is used? Average formula is used to tell us the average of the cells numbers which is selected. Next is count. Equal sign, write count for count formula, bracket open, selecting the value, enter. What does count do? Count formula is used to count the numbers of cells selected with the written number. Now going to maximum formula, equals to, for maximum formula, write the max, not maximum, just max, select the range, bracket off. What does it do? Why it is used? Maximum formula is used to find the greatest number of the selected cells. Going to minimum, like its name, it will find the minimum number. So for minimum, just type min, bracket open, bracket close. Minimum formula is used to find the lowest number of the selected cells. So here are the 5 basic formulas. There's another way to find these numbers. I'm gonna show you. It's very easy. Just select the button, go to that section. What you wanna do, sum, average, count number, max, minimum. We're gonna sum, so the sum is happening. We're gonna do average, so average is here as well. Select number again, count number is 6, same result. Maximum 67, and minimum as well. So here we have sum, average, count, maximum, and minimum. So from this tutorial, you learned the basic formulas of MS Excel. You can also download the worksheet of Excel from the link given in description below. So check it out and download it and do practice of these formulas. Thanks. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos, follow our Facebook page, share our posts, like our posts, and comment the comment section below. Thank you.